In this video, I will install policy templates to manage Google Chrome settings via group policy. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And first, I will be installing policy templates on a single machine, and this will allow me to create group policies with Google Chrome settings for all of my computers, but I will be able to create them only on that single workstation or server. And after that, I will be converting the policy definitions folder on that single machine into a central store. And this will allow me to manage my policy templates from a single location, and all of my policy templates will be available to all of my workstations and also all of my servers. And I will be able to create group policies with Google Chrome settings on any of the computers or servers that I have in my domain. And now I will begin this video by downloading Google Chrome policy templates, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Google Chrome download page. Here I will click on Manage Policies and then on this download button. Then I will click on Accept and Download, and then I will go to my Downloads folder and wait a bit for the policy templates. Now that I have this zip file, I will use 7-zip to extract the contents. Then I will go inside of this folder, then Windows, and only folder that I care about is the ADMX one. So I'll right click it and copy it. Then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment. For now, I will minimize the server manager and I will place the folder on my desktop. And before I can install my policy templates, I need to figure out if my environment is using local policy templates or the policy templates from the central store. And for that, I will open my server manager, then I will go to tools and I will open group policy management console. Then I will right click on any policy that I see here and click on edit. Then I will expand policies and administrative templates. Let's make this window a bit larger. And as you can see here, we have this text. It is saying retrieving from local computer. And this means that we are not using central store, we are using local policy templates. And to install Google Chrome policy templates locally, I will open my File Explorer, then I will go to this PC, C drive, Windows, and somewhere here we should have policy definitions folder. And as you can see here, we have all the policy templates for our group policies. Now to install our Google Chrome ones, I will minimize everything here. And then I will go inside of this folder. I will select only the NUS, the language files, and also the two files that we have here. And I will copy and paste them here. And that's basically it. Now we should be able to use Google Chrome policy templates in our group policies. And that's basically it. Now Google Chrome policy settings should be available in our group policy management console. And to check that, I will go back to my group policy management console. Once again, I will right click on the policy, select edit. Once again, I will go to policies, administrative templates. And as you can see, we have a Google folder here. If I expand it, we have Google Chrome. And here we can see all the Google Chrome available settings in our group policy management console. And that's basically it for installing policy templates on a single server. And this method works fine if you're managing all of your group policies from a single server, but if you're using multiple servers or workstations to manage your group policies, you should consider using central store. Because for example, if I go to one of my other servers and open the group policy management console here, once again, edit any policy. Let's go to policies, administrative templates. As you can see, we don't have the Google Chrome policy templates on this server because they are only installed on this one. So the options are to also install on this server if we want to manage Google Chrome settings on this server, or we can use central store so all of the policies are available to all of our servers and workstations. And for that, I will go back to my first server. And let's close everything here. Well, maybe I shouldn't close the management console, but anyways. Now to convert this policy definitions folder into a central store, I will go to my domain network share. So I will enter my domain name. It's ad.letsdoautomation.com. Then I will go to my sysvol folder, and inside of this folder, and then I will go to the policies folder. And to convert this policy definitions folder into a central store, I will just right click on it here and copy it here. And that's basically it. Now the central store should be available to all of the servers and also all of the workstations. And once again, let's go back to the server manager. Let's reopen the group policy management. And once again, if I edit any of the policies, go to the policies and administrative templates, you can see that this time it is saying retrieved from the central store. And that means that our central store is working for this server. Now let's check the other one. Let's close this window and reopen it. Once again, let's go to policies, administrative templates. And as you can see, we see Google folder here. If I go inside of it, we see Google Chrome and also all the Google Chrome settings in here. And also here it is also saying that they're retrieving from the central store. And that's basically it. All of my policy templates are available to all of my servers and also all of my workstations. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.